All right, so now the fire alarm went off, and we're gonna go see what this is. Kind of weird.
No, I didn't have to jump off. Screw about 50 or shit. Yeah, but that's why you just link your way down.
Well, that's alright.
Hold on. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, we called the cops.
Again.
See if anybody's gonna come here.
Is it really?
My ass is on fire.
Your ass is on fire. Your ass is on fire.
Oh, crap.
And yeah,
What the fuck is that talking? I was on fire.
cops are coming here now, or fire department.
It's fucking pretty loud.
Is it still going on? Yeah.
Huh? Is that loud? You can't even hear the
Don't, because the door might lock on us. These doors are old.
Not gonna lock on us.
Yes, if they do, they lock on us.
All right, we'll keep you guys updated.